Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and revise a very important chapter of your NCERT exercise. Okay, and in that class we take and solve some other important, all the important questions included in that chapter. Now, in today class we are going to take and discuss a very important topic of your syllabus, which is algebraic identities. Algebraic identities. Okay, dear students, and this is one of the most important topic of your or your of your syllabus. So let's see what is the concept of algebraic identities. Dear students, there are some important algebraic identities are a plus b whole square is what a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, second one is what a minus b whole square is what a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, these are all the important algebraic identities are there, so please observe very carefully and learn each and every algebraic identities. Let's see, next one is what a square minus b square is equal to what, this is a plus b into a minus b. Okay, next one is what, just the next one is this is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay, this is sorry, so first of all we will discuss about the third one is that is equal to a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is what, this is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. This is one of the most important algebraic identities. Next one is what, this is a minus b whole cube. The value of a minus b whole cube is what, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. Okay, now next one is what, let's see, the next algebraic identity is what, this is a cube plus b cube, which is a plus b in one bracket, and in another bracket this is what, a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, this is the next algebraic identity is what, a cube plus b cube is what, a plus b in one bracket, and in next bracket this is a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, now next one is what, this is a cube minus b cube. The algebraic the value of a cube minus b cube is what, a minus b in one bracket, and in another bracket this is a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, this is our next algebraic identities. Okay, now next one is what, a plus b plus c whole square is equal to, this is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab plus bc plus c. Okay, this is the next one is what, a plus b plus c whole square is what, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab plus bc plus c. This is one of the most important identities of your syllabus, and there are so many questions based on these algebraic identities in your syllabus, one in your chapter. Okay, next one is what, the next one is the 1 2 3 4. Last algebraic identity is what, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to what, this is a plus b plus c in one bracket. Okay, this is a plus b plus c in one bracket, and in next bracket this is what, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. Okay, so these are all very important. These are all very important topics. Okay, these are very important algebraic identities are there. So first of all, dear students, you learn each and every algebraic identities. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on all these algebraic identities. Okay, dear students, now we take and solve some other important question of your syllabus based on all these algebraic identities. Before that, we are going to discuss about that one important result related to algebraic identities a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay, let's see. Now question, we take and solve some important algebraic identities, which is what, let's see. Now we take a question, very important question. Find each of the following using identity. Let's see. Find evaluate each of the following. Evaluate each of the following. Evaluate each of the following by using identities. By using identities. Okay. By using evaluate each of the following by using identities. Okay. Let's see. And your first question is what? First one is what? 103 into 97. Okay. Second one is what? 90. Second one is what? This is 97 whole square. Okay. And distance now we take these two algebraic identities. Okay. Now let's see. Now what I do? Now we take one more is what? One more is what? 99 cube. All these are the very important question of your syllabus based on algebraic identities. Based on algebraic identities. So please just now let's take the first part of this question and solve it. Okay, let's see, dear students. Now, so first of all, we take first part of this question, which is what? This is 103 into 97. 103 into 97. Okay, let's see. Dear students, in that question, first of all, we write 103 as what? 100 plus 3 in one bracket into. Okay, and in second part of this question, which is 97, we can write 97 as what? 100 minus 3. 100 minus 3. Now just write, this is the form of a plus b into a minus b. This is the form of a plus b into a minus b. Now what I do? Now we apply the identity, since we know that a square minus b square is equal to what? A plus b in one bracket into a minus b in another bracket. This is the form of. Now let's see. Look at this question. This algebraic identity is based on in the form of a plus b into a minus b, na? Okay. Now let's see, na? A plus b into a minus b. Now we can write a. This is here, a is what? 100. B is what? 3. Now we can write a. This is the form of a plus b into a minus b. Now we can write as a square minus b square. So we can write this in the form of what? 100 square minus 3 square. Okay. Now we simplify them. The square of 100 is what? 10,000. Okay. Minus 6 is a 9. Now we write as down. Now we subtracting them. 10,000 minus 9. This is 9. Means what is it? 9,991. This is our required solution of the given question. Okay, so thus, dear student, in this way you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on identities in this way. Okay, now we take and solve the second part of this question, then third part. Let's see, dear friends. Now we take and solve the second part of this question, which is 97 square. Okay, now let's see. We can write 97. We can write 97 as 100 minus 3. Now we using the identity as a minus b whole square. Let's see. We can write 97 as 100 minus 3 whole square. So we can write this is the form of a, this is the form of b. So since we know that the value of the identity a minus b whole square is what? The identity a minus b whole square is what? A square minus b square minus plus a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now that is we can write 100 minus 3 whole square in the form of a square, means 100 square plus b square is what? Means 3 square minus 2 into a means 100, b means 3 into a b. Okay, this is the value of a as 100 and the value of b as 3. Okay, now this is a square plus b square minus 2 a b. Okay, now we simplify them. Let's see. So we can write 100 square as what? 10,000. Okay, plus now the square of 3 is what? 3 3 is 9 here. Okay, dear students. Now here we write as what? 9. Now minus 3 to the 600 the 600. Now we adding them, so we write 1 0 0 0 and then 9 minus 600. Now we subtracting them. Let's see. 10,009 and 600. We subtract 600 from there, so we get what? 9. This is 0. This is 10. Okay. 10 minus 6, that is 4. That here we write 9. Okay. So 9,409. 9,000. This is 9,409. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay. Thus, dear students, in this way, using the algebraic identities, we and also you can solve that type of questions. Okay, now similarly, dear students, we take and solve the last part of this question based on the algebraic identities. Let's see, dear students. Based on the algebraic identity, which is what? 99 whole cube. Okay, we can write 99 as what? 100 minus 1. So let's see, we can write as 100 minus 1 as whole cube, right, in this way. Okay, now let's see. Now this is the form of a minus b. Now this is the form of what? A minus b. So let's see. So first of all, since we know that the value of a minus b whole cube is what? A cube means 100 cube plus b cube, sorry, minus in, so it's minus b cube minus 3 into a into b, 3ab in bracket a minus b, in bracket a minus b. Okay, this is the required. This is, we know that the identity a plus a cube, a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube is what? This is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. Okay, so in this way we can write a cube means this is 100 cube. Okay, minus b cube, so this is 1 cube minus 3ab means 3 into A means 100, B means what? 1. In bracket A minus 1 is 100 minus 1. Okay. Now we solve that. So we write 100 cube as what? 1, 6. Okay. 10 line. Okay. Now minus 1. The cube of 1 is what? Right 1. So we write it this way. Minus 3 into 100 into 1. This is 300. In bracket this is 100 minus 1. Now we break the bracket. So let's see. 6. Okay. Minus 1 right as it is. Now we multiply minus 300 into 100 as well as in 1. So minus is minus. This is 300 into 1. This is 3 1 3 4 0 1 2 3 4 0 is here. And minus minus, this is plus, this is what? 300 here. 300. Now let's see, is plus adding it. First of all, we adding the plus positive values. So this is what? So we add first 6. This is 300. So we are adding them. So plus to 0. This is because this is plus and this is plus. 0 0. This is 3 0 0 0. This is 1. Now let's see. So we can write 1 2 3. 6. Okay. Now we minus this minus also adding them. So minus this is 1 and this is 1. Now let's see. Now plus minus what? Minus. So we subtracting 30,001 from this result. Okay. So this is now this is we write 30,000. 30. So 1 2 3 and 1. This is the subtracting them. So this is 10 10. This is 9. This is 9 here. So here we write 9. This is here 2. We write 2 as here. Okay. This is 0. Now this is 10. No? 10. This is 10. 10 minus 3. This is 10 minus 3 is what? This is 7. Here we write 9. So we can write here we have 9 lakh 70,299. 299. This is the required solution of the given question. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay. Thus, dear students, in this way you apply all the algebraic identities. Okay, and complete your NCERT exercise. Solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, dear students. So this is the method. This is the questions which we discuss in that class. Okay. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on the topic algebraic identities. Let's see, dear students. Now let's see the question here, dear student. We take a very important question based on identity. This is the question here. If x plus 1 upon x is equal to, if x plus 1 upon x is equal to 6, okay, find the value of x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 4. Now let's solve it. Okay, students, this is the very important question of your syllabus. Okay, so let's see once more time here. If, dear students, x plus 1 upon x, if x plus 1 upon x is what? 6 here. If x plus 1 upon x is equal to 6 here, now you find the value of x power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. This is the question here. Now what I do? So let's see its solution. What is the process to solve that type of question? First of all, dear students, we write given. So first of all, we write given, and the given value is what? X plus 1 upon x is equal to 6. Now we're taking squaring both sides. Taking squaring both sides. Let's see. We take equation 1. Okay. Now take square both sides. Take square both sides. We get, okay. If we taking square both sides, then we have what? Then we have x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to 6 square. So is equal to what? 6 square. Now what I do? Now we simplify them. Okay, dear students. So we get what? This is a square plus x square plus b square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into x into 1 upon x is equal to 6 is the 36 here. We write in this way. Okay. 6 is the what? 36. Okay. Now let's see. This is a square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 times a into b here. Okay. Now here x cancel to each other, so we get as what? This is x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 36 plus 2 transfer that side, so we get minus 2. So in this way the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to what? This is 34. Take equation number 2. Okay, but in this way, first of all we find the value of x square plus what? 1 upon x square. Now what I do? We find the value of what? We find the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. So dear student, for that first we again squaring both sides of this question 2. Okay, now squaring both sides, not squaring both sides of equation 2 we get. Okay, now squaring both sides of equation 2 we get what? Let's see up here. So again squaring both sides, so we get what? We write x square plus x square whole square is equal to 34 square. Okay. Now again we apply here the formula for a plus b whole square, so we can write here a square, this is 4 x square plus 1 upon plus b square means this plus 2 into a into b means 2 into ab. Okay, a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to the square of 34 is what? Let's say 34 into 34. 1156. Okay, the square of 34 is what? 1156. Now what I do? Let's see, x square x into cancel to each other, then the value of x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 4 plus 2 is equal to 1156. 1156. Now we transfer to that side, so we get what? So we get different. This is x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 4 is equal to 1156 plus 2 transfer that side, that is minus 2. So we get as x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 4 is equal to, this is 1152. This is the required solution of the equation. Okay. Thus, dear students, in this way you can solve each and every question of your syllabus, of your exercise, of your syllabus based on that concept, based on that identity. So okay, so this is the process to solve that type of question. So dear students, please do more and more practices of that type of question. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT based on these topics. Okay, so this is the concept. Okay, this is very important question of your syllabus, so please do more and more practices of that type of questions. Now we take and solve some other important question based on algebraic identities. Okay, let's see this one. Now expand, and your question is, we take an NCERT question, a by 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square. Okay, this is a very important question of your NCERT exercise. In that question, dear student, what I do, we just expand this. So dear student, in that question we just apply, we use the identity a plus b plus c whole square na. So write in this way. Let's see its solution. Thus we know that, no, first of all we write, we know that a plus b plus c whole square is equal to, this is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. Okay, let's see. We take a very important question, which is a plus b plus c whole square is what? This is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now what I do now, we can first of all we arrange this the form of this. So we can write this is a by 4 plus we can write minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square. Now this is a, this is b, this is c. Okay, now we expanded them. This is a square means a by a square plus b square means minus b by 2 b square plus c square plus 2ab means 2 into ab. A by 4 into b is what? Minus b by 2. Okay, plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2 into b is what? Minus b by 2. C means what? 1. 2bc plus 2ca means 2 into c is what? 1 into a is what? A by 4. Okay, so first of all we expand the given question based on identity a plus b plus c whole square. This is a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay dear students, now we just simplifying them. Let's see. This is what? This is a square by what? 4 for the 16 plus this is the square of minus converted into the plus. So that is b square by 2 to the 4. Okay, now plus that is 1 plus minus minus that 2 to the 4. This is a into b upon 2 to the 4. Okay, now plus minus minus 2 into b 1 the b upon 2. Now this is plus here plus this is 2 to the 4. So 1 into a by 2. So first of all we just simplify them. Now we write the correct way. So we have what? A square by 16 plus b square by 4 plus 1 minus a to b upon 4 and ab upon 4. Okay, minus 2b, 2 cancel to each other, so minus b right as it is, plus this is a plus the a upon 2. This is a upon 2. Okay, this is the required. Now let's see. Now the expanded form. Thus in this way we can say that the expanded form of the given question is what? A square by 16 plus b square by 4 plus 1 minus ab by 4 minus b and plus a by 2. Okay dear students, so this is the required solution of the given question. Okay, thus dear students, in this way in today's class we take and revise some important question of your syllabus based on algebraic identities. Now in next class we take and solve some other important question of your syllabus based on that identities. Okay, now first of all you revise all the algebraic identities, all the questions which we discussed in that class. After that you complete your NCERT exercise. Now in next class we take and solve some other important question based on some different algebraic identities of that chapter. Okay, so first you revise and learn each and every identities. Okay dear students, now thanks to all.